place, new build, new opportunities, and new cars to see in this channel. Behind me is Brendan's 2019 Shelby GT350, our first Ford in this shop and the first Ford I think in this channel. In today's video, you guys are gonna see a bone stock GT350 getting built to a stage 2 Whipple calibration and Whipple setup on this car. This thing has been a really clean car that is owned by my neighbor, and we're gonna be building it in this channel to show you guys how much power a car makes with just a stage 2 Whipple and nothing else done to it. I'm really excited for this build, and I'm really excited to keep progressing our Whipple build in this channel. We have all these kits for the F-150s, the S650s, the S550s, and the GT350 in our shelf. And also, obviously, we have our Chevy kits too for the trucks, the SUVs, and also our line of Superchargers, BD30, on all live on the website. So this is a good kickoff to the Whipple build. So let's get this build started now and see how much power this thing makes, and stay tuned for a more in-depth of the Whipple build, and we actually are touring their facility, so stay tuned for that video. But for now, let's get to this build.
What year's this car?
This is a 2019.
2019 GT350 blower install starts now.
It's a lot of boxes for
A lot of boxes.
a blower install.
All the boxes.
It's a box in box in box.
Box and box and box. But we have tables
Yes.
for all of our boxes.
Let's see if you use them.
Huh?
Let's see if you use them.
Look, bro, look around.
It is a major upgrade. What if we got like 17 tables? We got 7 plus 7, yeah, 18 tables. We got 774. So we got 18 tables when we got these from Facebook Marketplace. Good deal.
We got boxes on boxes and tables on tables.
$3 grand on tables. Worth it. But you know,
Honestly, it was a deal.
yeah, I mean, because this is gonna be used for transmission teardowns and boxes on boxes, and putting C8 splitter there and a couple other pieces. Well, now that's cleaned off, so that's good. Anyways, let me go finish up what I'm doing here. We're doing a stock read to pull out the tune file of the car, so so we can send it to Whipple. This kit actually has a warranty, so if you have if you buy this kit from Whipple or us, it's available at BoostDistrict. If you get this kit, you can get the tune directly from Whipple, and if you get the Whipple tune, the car and the Supercharger has a warranty in place. So keep that in mind when you're modding these cars, because sometimes these are too expensive, and some guys care about the warranty. Get 150 horsepower gain, still has a warranty. Yeah, it's not full tilt. If you want to go full tilt, you can live the risk, but if you just want 150 horsepower to the wheels extra, the warranty is nice to have. Same thing in the C8s and stuff like that, so that works out.
So is this like the box where the blower comes in?
Oh wait, you want like more effect on that? Cue music. Bum, 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 bum. Hey man, that was good.
Blue.
Good media right there.
They have the grabber blue on it, so it matches. It looks really good on the engine bay.
Big ol' blow up.
It says BoostDistrict on there too.
Always, baby.
3 liter.
Alright, let's get this build process started. We gotta get the bumper out of the car and get everything else disassembled so we can see how this Whipple 3 liter on a GT350 come along. Come and join us. Alright guys, moment of truth. Build is done, looking real good. Now let's see how much power it's making. We're in our new dyno facility. Having good luck recently with what we're doing, so let's see how much power this thing makes. Complete stock GT350 with just a Whipple on it. Let's see how much it rips. Whipple, don't stop GT350. What's our power distance?
Dude, I honestly got no clue. You go first. How many were you thinking? So I got no.
Like high sixes.
High 600s?
Yeah, high 600s.
I was thinking like a little bit lower. Cause I don't know.
Okay.
I'm thinking mid fives, low sixes.
Mid fives. Okay. You guys want to put some money in it?
You already run on the dyno?
Uh-huh.
So it's no clue. It's no clue to you.
I'm not gonna bet. I'm just saying it for you guys. I know
Not on the high sixes?
Dude, I don't know, man. I mean, I feel pretty confident with my guess, I'm not gonna lie.
Alright.
I'll put some money down.
Put some money down?
Put some money down.
I can't be a part of this. I'm just making it fun for you guys.
Put like 10 or 20 on it.
Huh?
Put like 10 or 20 on it.
$20?
20 bucks? You're taking high sixes, I'm
Don't
taking...
shake on it. You're on camera.
Alright, 20 bucks?
20 bucks. You
Alright,
take
man, 20
high
bucks.
sixes,
Yeah,
I'm taking
20 bucks.
Alright, here you go. I think it's gonna make more than that. I think it's gonna make at least 700 wheels. Let's find out. First spool out, 642. Damn. 775. This thing's gonna be a ripper, that's for damn sure. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Wow.
Is this the face of a guy that thinks Ford is a little better right now?
Yeah. Hey, Ford guy.
Oh.
Hey, Ford, I've always been Ford. I've always been Ford.
No. Stock motor is pretty cool though. It's pretty cool.
You're right. Oh, that's awesome.
Hey, that's no 75.
Yeah, there's still more to go. Wait, what's it going out to?
83.
That was only 75. .7 horsepower. Bone stock GT350 with just a Whipple on it. That thing is making some power. Wow.
That's awesome. So who won your bet?
I honestly think everyone
talking
won.
about
I think
back
everyone,
cars.
I think the house should win on that one. I mean, no one said above.
Hey, that's awesome. I'll take it. We got these blowers in stock on the website and also on the shelves. So if you guys are interested, no lead times on it. We have a blower for stock for the S550s, the S650s, the F150s also. So head to the website, check it out. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. Everything that we do is tailored for you guys. So if you guys have a stock one or a built car, we can tailor a supercharger kit based on your needs and goals. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna end this video with a badass cinematics of this beautiful car. Thank you for Brendan and also Rob and the whole family for trusting us with their cars. This thing is another good example of what we do here. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. If you guys want your car built by us, also give us a call or just go to the website, BoostDistrict.com. We'll see you guys in the next one. Stay boosted. Thank you.